Hey guys, it's Sam, and in this video I'm going to show you a really quick, easy 2-second trick on how to prevent your paper from buckling. And that includes, yes, the Canson Watercolor XL paper. I have found a way to make this paper less garbage. I know, it's a miracle. So this should work on essentially every paper, and it's also really good if you're lazy like me and you don't feel like using tape, or you don't have tape, or you have one of those boards that fancy expert watercolor painters have to just slap on the paper without worrying about buckling. Anyway, let's get into the trick, okay? Alright, so just for supplies, again, I'll be using the Canson XL watercolor paper, my cup of water, and my Hake brush, and that's pretty much all you need. So let's get a new sheet going and get started. So I'm painting with water first, just kind of soaking the front of the page. So Canson paper, it's cheaper, it's going to buckle pretty quickly, pretty soon. More expensive paper, more fancy paper like Arches, it still buckles, but it buckles significantly less. So here's the trick to help avoid buckling. And as you can see, just me kind of picking up the paper, it's already just like, oh, it's time to go. So here's the magic trick. You want to flip the paper over. Once I have room on my table, you flip the paper over and hear me out, get some water on your brush, and then paint. You don't even need that much water. Paint water on the back of the paper. Now, if you're using artist boards to kind of stick your paper on, so instead of using clips, you can do this method, and this water will act like a glue, and you can just kind of stick the paper on there. But just a heads up, like when you're painting with this kind of wet paper, with wet on the back and everything, you're probably going to get some running through, so some paint going through and around the other side of the paper. So just check for that, occasionally wipe that down if you need to. That's it for the buckling trick of keeping the paper flat. It actually works really well. You can see this paper is just completely flat. 100% flat. And this is, again, Canson XL watercolor, really cheap paper. If you've been on my Twitch streams, you know how much I don't like Canson paper. As this airplane is flying by, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to share it and check me out on Twitch and stuff, because I don't really do YouTube anymore, so I'll see you over there instead. How about that? Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye!